Okay, on today's video, we're going to be trying this bad boy out right here. It looks pretty good. We're going to try it muffin style. Seems pretty easy and simple. All you need is 1 egg. You need 1/4 cup of oil and 2/3 cup of water. Mix it all up and we'll bake it and see how it turns out. Okay, so here's our batter all mixed up. Looks pretty good. Instructions said it should be a little lumpy, so I think we're good. It also came with a separate pack of cinnamon, and the instructions say to go ahead and put the batter in halfway, then cinnamon, then batter, then top off with cinnamon. So we're about to do it. Okay, so this is where we at. We have our oven heating up at 350 because we will be baking these for about 24-25 minutes or so. There was a little correction though where I didn't actually layer these. That's more if you're going to do it cake style. But again, we're doing this muffin, cupcake style. So you don't have to layer it, which makes this even easier. You're just going to put the batter at the bottom, and then you're going to fill the top like this with the cinnamon and just press it in as so. I'm going to finish the rest of these, get these in the oven, and hopefully they turn out. Okay, so here they are after 24 minutes of baking at 350. It did make 12. They look so good. I have them cooling. This is an extra step. Remember, this is Sugar Rush here. So I'm actually going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on these as well. You don't have to do this, but we're doing it here. All right, stay tuned for the taste tests. All right, guys, it's taste test time. This is my hubby. You're welcome, ladies. You're welcome. All right, go ahead. Let me know what you think.
Right. I've been waiting for this. It looks very delicious. Oh. Smells good. I'm going to take this off because, I don't want to eat the paper. All right, here we go. Excuse me for a second. That is delicious.
All right. So, A, B, or C rating?
Oh, this is a top A right here. This is nice. The top it has a little crunch to it, but the bottom's so soft, and it just melts in your mouth.
Wow. Good description.
I'm enjoying this.
All right.
I'm enjoying this.
All right, so go ahead and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. It's a hit.
Yes, it is.